Hey everybody, I'm Jared Allen with Bully Bag and Tool Company. Here today to showcase the Scribe Tech and Clipboard laptop carrier. The Scribe Bandit is an outstanding and very versatile piece of equipment for your cumbersome items such as your laptop, your iPad, your clipboards, clipboard carrier. These things are essential in the field when you're working, especially when you're working at height or on inclines such as a roof, but they're kind of a pain in the butt as well. So the solution that we came up with was the Scribe. So to kind of go through it here, the Scribe is a fully vented, multi-pocketed, versatile carrying product for the Tech and Clipboard carrier. You got two pockets underneath the flap, one flap here with a pocket inside with YKK zippers. We bring it up one more, and we've got the outside layer of the Tech area here. This is a good pocket right here. You see I've already got it attached to the belt. It's a padded pouch here for, what have you, such as an iPad or whatever. You can only insert from this one here from above. Then from the side, you can insert on the main netted compartment right here, and also from above with the zipper here. Okay, so that's great. Allows a lot of versatility. You can only get an item about probably about 9, maybe 10 inches wide here, about 9 inches wide. We made it right there for the AccuLines Flipboard to be inserted through. A lot of times if you're using this product and you've got it on a sling, you may not want to insert horizontally, you may want to insert vertically, and that's what that slot is for. In addition to that, there's a carrying handle. If you're using it as a briefcase style, you can utilize it that way. Like I said, very, very versatile product. Both of the ends for the main compartment have a clasp strap attached to them, so that whenever you insert, say, your laptop in this case, you simply take the strap over, secure it down, one-handed, and you're good to go. Both of the ends come with what we call bookends, bookend Velcro securement. And this one is open right here. I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's open. So this one is open. There's the envelope and the insert of the bookends right there. Okay? And the way that works is you open them up and you apply them together, and what you get is a finished product that looks like that. You're not able to, it just provides a little bit more backing if you're going to be slamming your laptop in and out, or your clipboard or what have you. As we go around, I'm going to show how this is attached to the belt. So we've got 2 points of mechanical attachment here, and then it's part of the Bandit belt system. It's wrapped around, very, very secure. So I'm going to put it on here for you, show you what it looks like here. And the laptop goes there, or your clipboard case, or whatever it is that you use in the field. That's secure, and I'm good to go. I can open this one up and place this in here, place it in there, what have you. However you want to set up your rig is how you want to set up your rig. You could even take this and insert it in there with your laptop. Be a little full, but I also have a dinosaur of a laptop, so maybe yours will be a lot more sleek than mine. I'll show you one other thing about this Scribe. It does come included with a padded strap, so you're able to just use the product independently without the belt and carry it crossbody style if that's how you want to do it, or you can pitch the strap and pitch the belt and just carry it as a case. Up to you, completely up to you. The Scribe Tech Field Carrier, another great product from Bully Bag and Tool Company, made for you to claim the storm.